Hello dear friends and followers, welcome back to my channel. I am your officer SPy. So today as we discussing more in detail about the different types of engines, that is a turbojet, turboshaft, turboprop and turbofan engine, and we'll decide among these all types of engine which is the best for every aircraft and every configurations. So without wasting time, let's begin. Turbojet. The first jets to fly were turbojets with a single compressor and turbine. The turbojet is simple classic design and only in a few years proved to be a fast powerful engine. When an engine has reached a steady running condition, the energy input to the engine from fuel is almost exactly equal to extra jet kinetic energy output and energy output. This proportion is called thermal efficiency. A thermal efficiency of 100% is impossible. This part of a fuel energy that goes out as a kinetic energy will vary with the V square jet because kinetic energy is given by half W V square jet and thrust is given by this formula. So, the thrust will increase in proportion to V jet, but the fuel consumption varies more quickly. This is the tragedy of turbojet. No, turbojet is somewhat good, but let's see others and decide finally. Second place is for turbofan. So we all know how turbofan works. There are good reasons for the engine to have high compression pressure ratio and high turbine entry temperature. So this is one of the good factors. However, if all the spare pressure that is generates at the exit of the engine is only used to accelerate the core airflow, the high velocity is noisy and does not give the highest possible amount of thrust for a given engine. The solution proposed by Frank Whittle is to add an additional low pressure turbine downstream of core turbine. This power a fan to drive additional air outside the core of the engine through bypass duct, hence increasing high thrust and low fuel consumption. The gases reach the final core nozzle, their pressure and temperature are much lower. Interesting, isn't it? So as a result, the jet core accelerates to more modest velocity, sufficiently greater than the speed of flight, but not so much to create noise and use more fuel. So turbofan engine gives its thrust by accelerating a large mass of air to a modest jet velocity. Since thrust is proportional to V jet, but specific fuel consumption is proportional to V square jet. Finally, turbofan gives about twice as much as thrust for a given same fuel consumption as a turbojet of a same core size. So in this, we'll come and let's talk about other two heroes, that is turboshafts and turboprops. These are the gas turbine engines where all useful power output is transmitted by a shaft. The engines that drive an unducted fan or a propeller are turboprops, while the engines that power the helicopters, we call them as a turboshaft. The turboprop uses the low pressure turbine to drive a large propeller through a speed reduction gearbox. So we can see in this figure, for a given engine weight, a turboprop accelerates air more than a turbofan to lower velocity and hence deliver more thrust. So turboprop is a hero. So turboprop is good for only low speed applications. So now we are able to identify which is the best engine. According to me, turbofan is the best. So comment in the section below according to you. Friends, I think now we are able to understand why we are choosing these type of engines and what is their significance. So comment in the section below which is your best engine according to you, and like, share and subscribe to the Officer Airspy channel. Share this video to get more knowledge. Meet you up in the next video, your Officer Airspy.